Hi, I'm doing a review of our Paragon spiral staircase. I landed on Paragon after a Google search, and Paragon had the best customer service. I believe I emailed and called and got a person right away that was interested in talking to me and walking me through the process. We needed a staircase for obviously outside, going from our deck to our pool deck. It's a quick jump, just 6.5 feet. We went with the 48-inch wide galvanized steel version with the pole at the top. We used the platform as our first step, just to minimize the curve of the staircase. So coming down, you can see the rail is just a plastic rail here with the cap. It's held up beautifully. And going around and down, perfect, solid construction. Again, oops, it's just a little jump down to the pool deck. Oops, sorry. Bolted into a cement block on the left with the main pole and just into the tile with the right side. But I was very impressed mainly with the customer service here. Someone walked me through this in a 3D mode on screen, and I was able to see it pictured in this space with someone kind of walking me through it. The delivery process was awesome. It was delivered on pallets and all boxed very, very well. So we have no complaints with this staircase. I love it. In fact, our neighbors have already purchased one as well after they saw ours. So look no further.